Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to go over the pre-market trade setup that was on Tuesday, May 21st. Okay, so this obviously has the Kraken volume profile on with the green candles showing their aggressive candles. Let's do another candle here. Okay, so that is a swing point. So let's look and see if there's any SMT going on. All right, let's do this. Let me switch to my crosshairs so it's easier to see. All right, so from this point, this takes this swing point, and here this swing point is higher than this swing point. Okay, so there's SMT right there with ES. This swing is higher than that swing, and this candle is higher. This candle is higher than this candle. So this goes down, this one goes up. So that's SMT. Okay, here's what another thing I've been using a lot of, and this I'm going to show you the sneak peek of the Kraken time cycles. It is not ready to come out yet because we basically have to rewrite the code because I've added so much to it. He's rewriting it, certain sections to make it faster and to not have an error every once in a while when you go in different time frames. So it's not ready to come out yet, but in this instance, I'm going to give you a sneak peek of it. I'm going to show you this like this. Here, okay, let's do this like this. So I'm going to turn it on. It's already set up. I'm not going to go into the settings because that's going to change. But this right here is 30-minute time cycles, okay? So usually I like 90-minute time cycles and session cycles and daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly cycles. But this is a 30-minute cycles. So you'll see that this 30 minutes from 7:30 to 8 a.m. This candle right here took the high, okay? And we have SMT. So when I have a time cycle high being swept with SMT, I like that. Then I'm looking for confirmation to go lower, right? Looking for inversion for value gap. I'm looking for a breaker. I'm looking for, those things to occur for me to go down. I'm not just taking a short because it says SMT. I'm not sweeping a high. No. Okay. Let's look at Kraken Visuals and see. We have a 15-minute fair value gap here, a 15-minute fair value gap here, and that's really it for right now. Then this is a 1 hour, 4 hour fair value gap from the other day. Okay, so let's like this right here. Let's turn this off. Let's see. I think that's good enough for you guys to see, right? Right there. Okay. All right, let's see how this plays out. Obviously, we have a fair value gap right here. Let's turn on the Kraken Silver Bullet Pro. Again, you get all of these indicators for $29 a month. Someone mentioned, man, that's pricey. I can show you one indicator that's $49 a month, and I am giving you 4 indicators, soon to be 5 and 6 indicators for one price. If $29 a month is too much for you, trading may not be the right fit because most evals are per month are more than $29 a month. Let's turn on this Kraken Silver Bullet Pro. I think I have everything turned on. Let's see. Oh, nope, got London. Gotta check the boxes here. Make sure everything's on. Okay, perfect. Let's see if I have both silver bullets on, turn it on. I don't need the vertical line. I kind of like the swing points. Just for value gap. I don't do the pivots. Do those. All right, cool. Yeah, I like the swing points. It shows you good swing points. All right, let's see. We were looking at see if there's any. So Asia high has been taken. Asia low has been taken, obviously. So Asia's gone. London low has been taken. Versus before it kills on. Let's turn that off. Turning that off. New York plunge sell side's been taken, so that's done. PM. Where's PM? Oh, PM sell side's way down here. Oh yeah, we'll leave that. We're gonna leave that there. So that's good. Okay. Let's do this like this. Obviously, I have a balanced price range right here. So I'm kind of waiting to see what happens here. Trading through it. Inversion. Yeah. Okay, so now that we have swept a time cycle high, we have SMT, we have a balanced price range, but we have a inversion here that has just been taken into right there. So if it trades into that, I will take it. I will take a short. Oh, that's brutal. That's a very bad spot. Let's just see where we're at here. Let's zoom in here. Okay, because this is only 40 points right here. So I know those candles looked huge, but they're really not. PM sell side is the low from yesterday. I think it was yesterday's video that I did, or the last video that you should have seen. So let's mark this out. My stop loss goes here, above those, and then let's move this down here too. Right there. Okay, that's where we're taking our trade. Inversion. Let's pull a fib. This will be like a manipulation leg, right? So let's pull our fib and see where a fib lines up. Oh, like that. Just between 2 and 3 right there. I'll use that. If it goes 2.5 and blows through it, it should probably go down to the 4. So if it goes through, if I had one, I'd leave a runner. But 2 to 2.5 is we might not get this. So, but we're shooting for the PM buy side. That's good. We would, if we had more contracts, we'd take a partial under this low here because that's going to be a 90-minute cycle low. So I would have taken one here. You know what? Let's just mark that just so you can see where I would take it. I'll put partials taken here. Let's actually turn this on like this. I'll go like this. There you guys can see it. All right, perfect. Let's try and get everything on the screen here. I don't like that it is 4 points lower already, but for my entry from where I would have gotten in, but the short position here is what's showing where I really got entered. Tradingview obviously is by the candle close, so it wouldn't tap me in here. It only taps me in there. So that's the downfall of Tradingview. Let's see. All right, so we've got. This is why I like having Kraken Visuals going, because you have a 15-minute fair value gap right here, and a 5-minute fair value gap, a 5-minute fair value gap, and a 5-minute fair value gap. So I'm going to go break even. I'm going to go here. I'll go right below break even. Right there. Why am I doing that? I would have been up here, but I had to go here, and I want to be able to see the prices of both. So it is what it is. I get taken out, I get taken out. But we have one fair value gap here, 2, 3. So technically, we should be right here. But if you're on the 1-minute time frame, I'd use the 1-minute one. So we'll just do that. And if you were trading multiple contracts, you would have taken a partial right here. Basically, that's that 90-minute cycle low right there. Even probably as actually that's probably the session low too. Maybe not. Okay, let's go. Let's keep going. Now there's 3 for 5-minute fair value gaps, so I'll just go off that. $15-minute fair value gap, would not want that to be, wouldn't want that to be traded into, so halfway, so I'll move my stop there. Doesn't scare me. It is what's going to be, whatever it's going to be. All right, there you go. Got our trade exited right there. All right, let's keep going. Let's go a little bit further here. Let's go like this. See if it gets 4, and it does hit 4 right there. All right. Okay, so let's recap. This is a pre-market trade setup. Kraken time cycles, the 30-minute cycles. And I saw that we took the high of a 30-minute cycle. We had SMT. We also had an inversion fair value gap created. So I entered there. First target, if we were taking partials, would have been this this 90-minute cycle low here, and then the TP target was this PM sell side liquidity. When we entered, we also pulled our fib, and 2.5 to 3 was right in line with our PM sell side liquidity, so that was our target. And as I said, if it was going to trade through like this, wicking through, it didn't really trade through with aggression past the 2.5, and then you'd expect a pullback, which is normal. But it ends up trading through and does go past 4 standard deviations, so that's pretty cool. But I like having the Kraken visuals on and trades to find out what fair value gaps are being held, and I can move my stop accordingly. Sometimes I don't use the 3 PD array rule. Sometimes I use higher time frame fair value gaps. I don't expect the consequent encroachment to be reached, so I'll move my stop to that. So here you got a second fair value gap, so if it was still going, I would have moved it lower, kept going down. But that is the pre-market trade setup on Tuesday, May 21st, using the Kraken suite of indicators that you can get at ICTKraken.com.